Hargreaves Lansdown app. The pros, the cons. Hargreaves Lansdown is a new web-based investment app offering stocks, funds and ESA accounts. But is it the right platform for you? Starting with the pros first, extensive investment options. Users can access thousands of UK and international stocks, ETFs and funds. Second, research tools. The app offers detailed company reports, charts and market insights, ideal for informed investors. Third, tax-efficient accounts. ESA and SIP options allow users to maximize returns while minimizing taxes. Now, the cons. One drawback is fees. Some funds and trading actions carry higher charges than discount brokers. Another limitation is complexity. Beginners may find the app overwhelming without guidance. The surprising truth? Hargreaves Lansdown is ideal for serious UK investors seeking research and variety, but may not be the cheapest option for casual traders. In conclusion, the pros: broad investment choices, research tools, and tax-efficient accounts make it a powerful platform. The cons: fees and complexity should be considered based on your investing experience.